It is Monday and we are at an estate sale. This sale has been going on for 3 days, but the title of the sale, y'all, was Digging Sale. Music to my ears. Like I said, it's been going on for 3 days, but I'm excited to go dig and see what we can find. So let's go shopping. All right, when the porch is full of junk, you know this is going to be a good one. All right, let's go up the stairs first. So everything is 50% off, they said, except for some of the paintings. There are a ton of oil paintings here. This is definitely my kind of sale. I'm probably gonna be here for a while. Good thing today my husband's actually off of work on a Monday, which is very rare, so he's here with me. So he can help me dig. He knows what I like. Wow. I think I'm gonna do a pass through real quick in all the rooms because this is a bit overwhelming. There's a lot of stuff here. I like this print. Too bad it has some damage. But I love black and white sketches. Here's another room. These are cute. Oh, I thought they were metal, but they're actually plastic. I love old metal kids' toys. It's for cards. Lots of crocheted blankets. I really like these. There's some pretty fall colors. Let's see. The Afghans are $20 for a large, $10 for the small. So everything today would be half price. I think this is the old cash register. Yes, it is. That's cool. This room looks like the office. Lots of stuff, but this thing caught my eye. I'm kind of scared to get too close to it. These light fixtures here. Lots of stuff still in boxes, so like they said, digging sale. You can dig. Look at this cash register. This thing is huge. It's $50, so it'll be $25 today. I don't know where you put something like that, but it'd be cool if you had a store just as display. Yeah, there's so much artwork here. I'm told that he was not an artist. He just collected a little bit of everything. But these would be easy to ship, so I definitely want to look through all these prints and pick out some stuff. I think this is all bullets. Oh yeah, look at that. I absolutely love these chairs. Look at the detail. And I really love chairs that have this little piece right here. I just always find myself gravitating towards that. Unfortunately, these are $200. So they're $50 a piece. I mean, nothing crazy, but more than I really want to pay. But oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Actually, these will look great around that round table that I have in my little breakfast nook. My husband's with me though. He's gonna say no. Ooh, look at this floor lamp. I think that's wood. Y'all know how I feel about lamps, but I do love that one. Let's go look closer at it. I love how skinny this is. So this is metal. This is wood. And I think the base is, oh, the base is also wood. Ooh, I really like this. I could put that in my living room or in my bedroom. I might actually use that. These are cute. I think this is a little toy. Alright, my favorite area, the kitchen. Let's see what they have. I feel like things are a little expensive here as well, which is unfortunate. Like this little cloche is $10. You know, I usually pay $1 for those. This is $65. So the prices aren't what I hoped, but this is definitely a digging sale, and there's always good deals to be found. You just have to look. And what I value as something, you know, that I would spend more money on and resale, somebody else may not value that as anything. So you just never know. You always got to go look. Love these little things. They are great for tons of DIY projects, especially around Christmas. These will be cute. I'll definitely be doing stuff like that. Can't wait to get into the Christmas season. I love doing Christmas DIYs. So currently I have a bag full of kitchen stuff. Y'all know these are things I love. I remember coming across one of these before. I should take it on vacation with us and we can go mine for some gold in the creeks. Look how pretty these are. Love that. Little kitchen utensils. Grab these so we can do some DIYs. Look at these. These look like handmade tongs. Love stuff like this. Now that I've kind of made a pass through the house, I'm just going back and looking at everything, especially all the artwork. I love this piece. How good would that look in a boys' room or, you know, like an office or something? It has a gray frame. It has this burlap matting. And look how moody this is. I think it's a lithograph, but I'm not positive. Or it could be a mixed media piece. And it is signed. I'm gonna have to find out how much this one is because I really like it. Check out these stained glass windows, and there's just piles and piles of cigar boxes. Look at this little metal shopping cart. I think your baby goes right here. It is the perfect color for Ren's room. It's $10 today, but I'm deciding not to get it because I feel like she'd probably put a hole in my wall. But it's absolutely adorable. All right, dug through the house. Now we're gonna come dig through this porch area. Are y'all seeing anything? I know this is very overwhelming. So when I come to estate sales like this, what I like to do is what I told y'all. I just kind of walk through each room, take it all in, and then take a few deep breaths, and then you go back through slowly. Oh, I want to dig through all those boxes. You go back through slowly and just take your time and look through and see what they have. I came back through the kitchen for one final look because this is my favorite spot, and I totally missed this table the first time I came. It's $125. Look at the beautiful green color on the top, and look at the legs, how pretty. I love this. And this looks like an old Coca-Cola thing that they just turned into a little extra kitchen island. I like that as well. I don't know what the price is on that one, but I'm trying to think if I could use this anywhere. Also picked this up. This would look great as a little tray, or if you could hang it on the wall and you could add a little piece of wood to turn it into a shelf. That's really cute, but I love, you know, copper and brass combination. I just found a box of kitchen stuff that I didn't see before. So I grab this. How cute is that? This, and then also this thing, guys. I don't know what it is. My husband thinks it may be some kind of a puzzle, but I'm not positive. So if you know what this is, let me know. I'm definitely getting it because, you know, when you see things you've never seen before, you definitely got to pick them up. Also, check out this amazing door right here. Alright guys, what did y'all think about that estate sale? Here are my finds. I ended up just getting 2 Afghans, and these are beautiful. They're going to be so perfect for fall. Can you believe I bought another lamp? But I mean, this one just screams Julie, and it is going to go in my master bedroom. Of course, I had to get this thing when, you know, the time to buy stuff is when you see something you've never seen before. And I got all kind of cute kitchen things, and also look at this precious baby. It's so cute. It's filled with, you know, like rice or something. I'm sure it's not rice, but you know, the stuff that makes it feel like a real baby. And it's a boy. I find the boys are so hard to find, so this is gonna go to little Ren Lucille, and I know she's gonna love him so much. So I hope y'all enjoyed this little digging estate sale with me today. I hope y'all have a great day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Ren, what did you decide to name your baby?
David.
David?
Yeah.
Do you love him?
No, it's Dave.
David?
Yeah, David. No, David.
Davin?
Yeah, Dave.
Oh, Davin. Okay. Do you love him?
Yeah.